Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll explain the basics of playing submarines in World of Warships. Submarines focus on stealth, positioning, and torpedo damage. First, understand your depth levels. Surface, you're visible, but you can use your deck gun. Periscope depth, harder to spot and can launch torpedoes, and maximum depth is that you're fully hidden, but you can't spot enemies. Use your depth wisely to avoid detection. Second, if we go to equipment here, let's go back to tech tree and select a submarine. Click on go to equipment. Use your sonar pings. Aim at the enemy ships and ping them to guide your homing torpedoes. One ping improves tracking, 2 pings increase damage. Third, launch your torpedoes smartly. Fire torps after pinging, but do not spam. Wait for enemies to use damage control, then ping again. Fourth, manage your battery. Your battery drains while submerged. Surface or go to periscope depth to recharge when safe. Fifth, reposition often. Never stay in one place too long because enemy ships will drop depth charges if they detect you. Sixth, choose targets carefully. Battleships and cruisers are ideal. Avoid destroyers since they counter submarines hard. Finally, support your team. Spot enemies, pressure key targets, and force ships out of position. And that's it. Stay stealthy, manage your depth, and strike patiently to be effective with submarines in World of Warships.